Alright, good morning, first grade. Good morning, history, first grade. So, we're going to review the places for a quiz this week. We're going to review Canada, Mexico, and Peru, the places that we traveled to. Let's start off with a few main points from Canada that we did discuss in the past. So, Canada has two official languages. English and French are the two main languages that people speak. So, if you happen to take a trip up there, if you know English, of course, we all know English, people speak English. And if you happen to know French, people speak that language as well. Now, the CN Tower, remember, that's the real big tall tower that we saw a video of? That is one of the tallest buildings in the world. So, not just Canada, but the world. Let's move on to next Toronto. Toronto, which is where the CN Tower is located, is one of the largest cities in Canada. And lastly, the Royal Canadian Mounted Police. Remember, that's the police who usually ride the horses. They have the hats and the red coats. They are also known as the Mounties. So the police force is called the Royal Canadian Mounted Police, also known as the Mounties, and those are the ones who ride the horses. They have the bright red coats and then the brown hats. And the next place that we cover is Mexico. Now, Mexico's neighbor to the north is the United States. And Mexico City, that is the largest city located in Mexico. Now, the official language that people speak there is Spanish. So if you happen to know your Spanish, people speak that there. Now, sombrero, that's a large hat usually Mexicans wear to protect themselves from the sun. Now, as we talk about siesta, a siesta is the afternoon nap. That's very popular in Mexico. A lot of Mexicans like to take afternoon naps. And lastly, piñatas. We have that here in the United States as well, and other places. That's usually what children in Mexico break open with a stick, usually during parties to celebrate. And the last place that we covered was Peru. Peru, a favorite sport there is soccer. Like here in the United States, we have football and basketball, but there, a lot of people there play soccer. Next, Peru is located on South America, the continent South America. That's where we can find that at. Now, farmers grow a lot of crops in Peru, but some of the popular crops are bananas and cotton. Those are the few well-known popular crops that are grown there. And then we have a llama. Remember, the llama helps carry many things. Like here in America, for example, we work on a farm. They usually have horses, but there they have llamas. And lastly, a well-known pet that people may have in Peru are parrots.